Hello guys, in this video we will see how to download and install PostgreSQL 16.2, that is the latest version on Windows 11 operating system. But the process is same for all Windows operating system. First go to PostgreSQL official website, that is postgresql.org. postgresql.org. At the time of making this video, the latest version is 16.2. So click on download. Click on Windows, click on download the installer. See here 16.2, then select the operating system type. Mine is 64-bit, so select x86 64. Click on this download button. Wait, it is going to download automatically. Now if it doesn't start downloading, you have to click on this click here. See here we will see that download has been started. See its size is 363 megabytes. Wait until this download completes. See, download is completed. Go to downloads directory or click on this open file, both are same. Then double click on this .exe file, that is PostgreSQL 16.2 Windows x64. Double click on it. Click on yes. Click on next. See, this will be the directory to install the PostgreSQL. If you want to change, you have to click on this browse button. Select anywhere you want. Okay. I'm okay with default one, so click on next. See, these are the components to be installed. Okay. If you don't want to install any one of them, you have to uncheck it. Okay. So I want to install all. So click on next. And this is the data directory location. Then click on next. Provide the password for PostgreSQL super user, that is Postgres. So provide the password. Remember this password which is used to connect to the PostgreSQL server. Then click on next. And this is the port number for PostgreSQL. Click on next. Collection settings, I'm going with the default one. Then click on next. This is a summary of the PostgreSQL installation. If you want to modify any one of them, you have to click on back. Then you have to modify and you have to come forward. Then click on next. Then click on next to start the installation of PostgreSQL 16.2 on Windows 11 operating system. Click on it. Next. Installation completed, but if you want to install stack builder, you have to click on the checkbox. Otherwise uncheck it and click on finish. Later also we can install the stack builder. You go to the services, services.msc, or click on Windows button, services, click on services. Both are same, so recommended to open Windows run services.msc. Go to PostgreSQL service. See, this is the service, that is PostgreSQL x64-16. See, its status is running. Okay. If you want to stop it, you have to click on the stop button or right click, then click on stop. If you want to restart, then select the service, then click on restart or click on this restart button or right click on it, then restart. All three options are same. Okay. Now we will see how to connect to PostgreSQL server. Start. We have two methods, one by using pgadmin and another by using psql tool or psql shell. Click on this psql client. Host name is the local host. Hit enter. Database, the default database is Postgres. Hit enter. Port also 5432. Username Postgres. Then provide the password for this user which we have given at the time of installation and hit enter. See, we have successfully connected to PostgreSQL server. But see, this is the version, but this version is for the PSQL client, not for the PostgreSQL server. So to check the PostgreSQL server version, use the select version. See, this is the PostgreSQL version. The other way is to verify list of the databases, use the /l. See, these are the three databases comes with PostgreSQL installation. Select dat name from pg_database. See, these are the three databases. The other way to connect PostgreSQL server is by using pgadmin. Start, search for pgadmin. Click on pgadmin for. See, this is the pgadmin console. Maximize it. Right click on servers, then select register, then server, or just click on add new server. Both are same. Click on it, then provide the name. Name can be anything. I'm giving localhost. Then connection, go to connection tab. Here we have to provide the host name or IP. Okay, so I'm giving localhost, port number same, maintenance database same, username Postgres, then provide the password of Postgres user. Then click on save. See, we have successfully connected. Expand it. Expand it. See, we have only one database, that is the Postgres database. To create database, right click on it, then select create, then database, then provide the name for the database. Giving database name as R2School, then simply click. See, we have the other options like table space, template and all. Okay, so this is the create table syntax. Okay, click on save. See, new database has been created. Even if you go to PSQL shell, give this / shell. See, new database R2Schools is there. If you want to create tables in this database, just right click on it, select query tool, then create table student sname int, then select the text and click on create, execute or F5, both are same. See, it has successfully created. Go to the schemas, public, then tables. See, here we have the table. Okay, if you want to reset the password of the user, just give alter user Postgres with password, then provide the new password. I am giving same, then select it, select entire line and execute it. See, alter all, which means we have successfully set the password. To create users, we have two methods, one SQL state by using SQL statement and another by using UI method. Create user James with password. Okay, so put semicolon at the end. Run this command here or copy it, then run in PSQL also. Right click, go to PSQL shell, right click, so pasted, hit enter. See, successfully created. If you go to login and group roles, see, you will find the James user. The other way is right click, select create, then login or group role. Okay, so I am giving David, then provide password, privileges, can log in, super user, and you can give any optional privileges. Okay, membership, if you want to add member of any other existing user or role, you have to select here. Okay, and here it will see, here it is generated SQL script for the same create user. Click on save. See, here we have the David user. Even if you go to here, /du is the command to check the list of the users. See, we have 3 users. The default one is Postgres user. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to download, install and configure PostgreSQL 16.2 on Windows 11 operating system. The process is same for all Windows operating systems. For more PostgreSQL server videos, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.